everyone. The idiom of the day is, get the ball rolling. Let's look at the meaning of this idiom. The meaning of this idiom is to set an activity in motion or, to make a start or to begin. For example, my cousin got the ball rolling on his birthday photo cards by gathering some of his best photographs from the year to choose from. Now let's look at the example sentences of this idiom. Number 1, my sister has got some file folders and labels, binders, tab dividers to get the ball rolling on her new project of the school. Number 2, okay, let's get the ball rolling with a round of introductions. Please tell us your personal profile. Number 3, if he had only got the ball rolling a month ago, he wouldn't be so helpless right now. Number 4, they have to get the ball rolling on their business. Number 5, I just want enough cash to get the ball rolling. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel.